Stop wrestling your bike on the garage floor. Let the right jack do the heavy lifting. In this countdown of the best motorcycle jacks, the goal is simple: safer lifts, steadier wrenching, and gear that won't let you down when your ride is in the air. If you've ever felt your heart skip while balancing a 500-pound bike on a flimsy stand, this video is for you. Here's what's inside: 7 jacks, tested and ranked from good to flawless, hard-earned pros and cons, real-world use cases from tire changes to winter storage, and where each one shines or falls short. 7. VEVOR M11201. The VEVOR is a compact scissor jack that does a lot right for basic maintenance, especially if you're working on standards, cruisers, or smaller ADV bikes. It's rated up to 1,100 pounds, which theoretically covers most street bikes, and the wide 14.4 x 9-inch rubberized top platform helps distribute weight well along frame rails or a skid plate. The low 3.7-inch starting height tucks under lower bikes better than many budget scissor jacks, and the crank handle is straightforward if you don't mind a little elbow grease. In simple tasks like chain cleaning, rear wheel swaps, or exhaust servicing, it stays composed once loaded on the sweet spot of the frame. Where it starts to feel less confident is with heavier cruisers or when a bike's underside is irregular. Like most scissor jacks, placement matters, and the balance can get finicky if you're off-center by even a couple of inches. The M11201's lift range tops out around 13.8 inches, which is fine for general work, but leaves you wanting for more clearance during suspension droops or when using paddock accessories. The mechanical safety pin is reassuring, but engaging it precisely at mid-heights takes a bit of patience, especially if you're working solo. The construction is heavy-duty steel, and the rubber pad prevents scuffs. With care, it feels durable enough for occasional home use. The deck size is generous for a scissor-style lift, and the 28-pound class weight makes it stout without being unmanageable to store on a shelf. 6. DNA Motoring Tools 00290. The DNA Motoring Tools is another scissor-style jack with an 1,100-pound capacity and a 3.7 to 14.8-inch lift range, closely matching the spec sheet of many entry-level center lifts. The steel build with a powder-coated finish is sturdy, and the inclusion of a saddle and rubber pad helps reduce marring. On clean, flat frames, it lifts smoothly and holds position without drama, especially if you snug the mechanical stop and double-check your load balance. For budget-conscious riders who need a compact lifter that tucks away easily, it's a practical pick. However, during repeated lifts, the wing side reinforcement that improves stability doesn't fully overcome the inherent narrow footprint and fore-aft balance sensitivity of scissor jacks. If your bike's center of gravity sits higher, say taller ADV bikes or baggers, you'll notice a little wiggle while settling at mid-heights unless your placement is spot on. The crank action is simple but not fast, and under heavier loads, that last inch often feels like work. The good news is the lift range peaks slightly higher than some scissor peers, giving a touch more clearance for axle work, and the rubber contact surface grips well. The less than great news is that the platform area isn't as wide as some premium scissor decks, so larger cruisers need extra care in positioning. Weight-wise, it's manageable to carry and store, and it's compatible with socket or drill-driven cranking if you want to speed things up. 5. VEVOR TD059. Stepping up to the VEVOR TD059 moves into scissor hydraulic territory designed for dirt bikes and lighter street bikes, where vertical travel is king. This unit uses a hydraulic mechanism to get you off the ground quickly, with a working height that stretches substantially higher than basic scissor jacks, making wheel, brake, and suspension service far more comfortable. The non-slip rubber platform and locking bar elevate safety, letting you set the height and mechanically secure the load without relying on hydraulic pressure alone. The 300-pound capacity targets dirt bikes and small displacement machines, which is perfect for single-cylinder enduros, trail bikes, and scooters. Its sweet spot is frequent front and rear-end service, where a tall working height is a game-changer. The operation is straightforward. A foot or hand actuation raises the platform. The locking bar clicks into pre-drilled positions, and the rubber pad keeps the frame planted. Despite the lighter weight rating, the steel frame feels confidence-inspiring for its intended use case. In use across a stable of dirt bikes, the TD059 earns trust quickly. The height range, roughly 13.8 to 34.2 inches, means you can stand tall while doing linkage cleaning or fork service without crouching. The platform size hits a nice balance. Compact enough for enduro frames, yet broad enough to keep the center line secure. The portability helps in tight garages. It's easy to move, set, and stow between bikes. Of course, it's not designed to hoist a 600-pound cruiser. Keep it matched to its 300-pound rating, and it's excellent. 4. Donext 001. The Donext 001 is a classic wide-deck scissor jack with a heftier capacity, commonly listed around 1,200 pounds, and dimensions that mirror premium center lift designs. The 14.6 by 9.1 inch deck provides great contact area for frames and skid plates, and the sub-4 inch collapsed height helps it slide under bikes that sit low. Max lift approaches roughly 14.7 inches, plenty for wheel work and chain maintenance on cruisers, standards, and heavier twins. In real-world use, the Donext stands out for its steady platform and predictable climb under load. Whether lifting a Sportster under the frame rails or a mid-size ADV via a skid plate, the broad rubber top spreads the load evenly. The crank drive is smooth, and using a socket or low-speed drill turns it from a slow rise to a quick lift. Once up, it feels anchored, less twitchy than narrower decks, so fine tasks like reinstalling axle spacers or aligning calipers feel less fussy. The frame's carbon steel construction keeps flex to a minimum, and the overall weight, near 27 to 30 pounds, gives it a planted feel without making it unwieldy. Storage is simple. It's a rectangular slab that lives under a bench or against a wall. Like all center scissor lifts, placement is still key. Get your contact points right and the jack disappears under the workflow. The rubber pad resists slipping and protects finishes, though adding a wood shim for irregular underbodies is still smart practice. 3. VEVOR ZX09013C. The VEVOR 3C brings the features that transform garage work. A 1,500-pound hydraulic scissor design, foot pedal lift, low-profile approach, swivel casters, and a mechanical multi-position safety lock that doesn't rely on hydraulic pressure. The minimum height, around 120 millimeters, makes it usable with many low cruisers and standards, while the maximum height near 385 millimeters gives you comfortable clearance to work under the bike. The removable tow handle and casters let you position and reposition the lift easily, even in cramped spaces. Setup is simple. Attach the safety stand, mount the hydraulic pump with provided hardware, and insert the pedals. Once assembled, the pedal action is smooth and progressive, and the lock bar engages positive notches for safe, hands-free stability. The ability to set and lock at 3 or more positions builds serious confidence, ideal when you're torquing axle nuts or breaking free stubborn fasteners. On heavier bikes, the 1,500-pound rating shows its worth. The wide, rubberized platform holds fast, and the chassis design minimizes flex at full height. The casters earn their keep when aligning the platform to the bike's center of gravity or nudging the lift a few millimeters to perfect balance. This mobility is a genuine advantage over static scissor jacks, especially for big cruisers and touring bikes. In repeated use, the ZX09013C feels like shop-grade convenience without the footprint of a full lift table. The safety-first design, with anti-fall locking and dual return springs on the ram, adds layers of protection not found on basic designs. 2. RUTU 001. The RUTU 001 is a heavy-duty hydraulic lift aimed squarely at dirt bikes and mid-weight machines, typically rated around 1,000 pound, more than enough for off-roaders and many street bikes. The standout is its robust welded frame, anti-slip rubber platform, and dependable safety lock that secures the bike at working height. Operating height commonly spans roughly 12 to 13.8 inches at the top of its range, perfect for wheel removal, brake work, and linkage maintenance without forcing you to crouch or kneel uncomfortably. The hydraulic action is smooth and controllable, raising the bike quickly yet predictably. The safety latch engages without fuss, and once locked, the platform stays planted without hydraulic creep, ideal for longer jobs where the bike stays aloft for hours. The rubber top grips even when dusty, protecting finishes while resisting slip. And the frame's rigidity makes the whole experience feel rock solid at height. For mixed off-road garage duty, the RUTU checks all the boxes: fast lift, secure lock, simple controls, and a compact footprint. It's also versatile enough to handle scooters and light street bikes. The key is matching contact points and keeping the load centered. With a consistent, repeatable lift path, tasks like axle alignment, wheel spacers, and caliper placement feel less fiddly. The capacity rating gives generous overhead for typical dirt and dual sport bikes. And while it's not a replacement for a full 1,500-pound cruiser lift, it competes on stability and ease of use in its class. VIVOHOME VH049. The VIVOHOME VH049 brings together the features riders actually feel day to day: a true 1,500-pound hydraulic platform, manual foot operation for hands-on control, a 3-position mechanical safety lock, and a durable steel frame with rust-resistant coating. It's purpose-built for big cruisers, touring bikes, and heavy standards while remaining compact and garage-friendly. The platform's non-slip rubber pads hold tight under load, and the lift height, up to roughly 15 inches, strikes the sweet spot for real service work without feeling top-heavy. During testing with heavier bikes, stability and confidence are the calling cards. The lift rises smoothly under foot power, and the safety lock engages cleanly at each position so you can set your working height, let off the pedal, and wrench with both hands. The frame resists flex, and the broad stance keeps the bike composed even when you're applying significant torque to axle nuts or exhaust fasteners. Over multiple lifts and long holds, there's no notable settling when mechanically locked. The design details make ownership easy. The rust-resistant finish shrugs off spills and humidity, while the compact footprint and integrated handle make storage and maneuvering straightforward. Tie-down points are sensibly placed if you want to add straps for absolute belt and suspender security. The platform pads protect finishes and add grip, so you're not constantly recentering the bike mid-lift. For home mechanics stepping up from scissor-only solutions, the VH049 feels like a shop upgrade without needing a dedicated bay. Final thoughts. Every jack on this list can earn a place in the garage when matched to the right bike and job. The entry scissor options shine for compact storage and low cost, with the VEVOR M110201 and DNA Tools 00290 rewarding careful setup and centered loads. The VEVOR TD059 and RUTU 001 elevate dirt and light street service with hydraulic convenience and secure locking. And if you want the most confidence across the broadest range of bikes, the VEVOR ZX0901-3C and VIVOHOME VH049 bring 1,500-pound capacity, mechanical safety locks, and the ease of foot-operated hydraulics that transform maintenance from a wrestle into a routine.